Greetings all. This is part 5 of Act 3, Scene 2, related to The Merchant of Venice. Portia. You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am. Though for myself alone I would not be ambitious in my wish to wish myself much better, yet for you I would be treble 20 times myself, 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich, that only to stand high in your account. I might in virtues, beauties, livings, friends exceed account, but the full sum of me is sum of something, which to term in gross is an unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed, happy in this. She is not yet so old, but she may learn. Happier than this, she is not bred so dull that she can learn. Happiest of all is that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed, as from her lord, her governor, her king. Myself and what is mine to you, yours, and is now converted, but now I was the lord of this fair mansion, master of my servants, queen over myself, and even now, but now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my lord. I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love, and be my vantage to exclaim on you. So here the meanings. First line, you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am, means as I am in reality. Ambitious is, you can take it, ambitious stands for better. Treble times 20 times is 60 times. Then stand high in your account is, so that means value me more, means valuing me in a higher level. Livings is possessions. Then exceed account is more worthwhile, okay, or worthwhile, you can take it worthwhile only. Full sum is gist of whatever, the summary of everything. Then unlessoned is uneducated, unschooled is never gone to school, unpracticed is not practical at all, okay. Then happier is fortunate. Then bred is educated. Then you have the word commits itself to yours to be directed is, means I surrender. Commits here stands for surrender or giving myself to you, okay. Converted, it's transferred. Mansion stand for a house. Lord is the master. Then but now is just a moment ago. Then presage is be a sign. Ruin is loss. Vantage is opportunity. Exclaim is accuse or blame. Now the explanation. You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am. So, O Lord Bassanio, as you see me, I am. This is my reality. This is my real self. Though for myself alone I would not be ambitious in my wish to wish myself much better. Do not take me to be too ambitious if I think that if I have to be your wife, I should be in a better position. Yet for you I would be treble 20 times myself, 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich. So if I have to be your wife, if you are going to be my husband, I feel that I am inferior in many ways, and to be in your level, to come to your level in your equal footing, I feel that I should be treble 20 times. That is, means I should be 60 times better version of what I am in at present. 1,000 times more fair is 1,000 times more beautiful than I am at present. Then 10,000 times more riches means 10,000 times more rich I should be, okay. So this is what she feels that she should be, okay, to be equal to Bassanio. Keep in mind that she is not having a clear picture of Bassanio, and this is the reason why she feels inferior standing right in front of Bassanio, okay. So that only to stand high in your account, I might in virtues, beauties, livings, friends exceed account. So she says all this I required. All this is related to, means why 60 times better version of myself, why 1,000 times fairer, why 10,000 times richer, why, because she is wanting to be equal to Bassanio in this way. I might in virtues, beauties, living friends exceed account. She says, I may have many good virtues, means good qualities. I might be very beautiful. I might have very good possessions, belongings, maybe having a large number of friends. Everything might be worthwhile, but I do not feel that it is the gist of what I think I am. But the full sum of me is sum of something, means whatever I am having is means a gist of what I feel is lacking in many things. Why? Because I have never been educated, I have never been to school, and I am missing with the practical knowledge which one should always have. Happy in this, she is not yet so old, but she may learn. But although I am missing with this practicality, being unlessoned, being unschooled, but still I feel that I am not so old not to learn, not able to learn anything yet. Means still I am not of age, and still I am young enough to go ahead and learn many things. Happier than this, she is not bred so dull, and upon that I feel that I am fortunate that I have been well brought up in such a way that I am not seeming to be a dull, and still can learn many things if I put in all the efforts. So here it is, she is not bred so dull, but she can learn. That is, means if I put in efforts, if I put in hard work, I know I can learn all the things which are missing from my personality. Happiest of all is that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed, and I feel that I am really happy to get myself. My spirits are so happy, I feel so elated. I am really happy to get you as my lord, governor, and king, and thus I will be very rightly guided in your companionship. I am therefore ready to surrender myself to you in your hands. Myself and what is mine is to you, and yours is now converted. As we both are now about to be husband and wife, therefore whatever belongs to you is mine, and whatever belongs to me is yours. That is the meaning of converted. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion, master of my servants, queen over myself, and even now, but now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my lord. So whatever once belonged to me, till date belonged to me, that is my house, whether it was my servants, whether it was me, myself, everything was mine. But now at this very moment, with you selecting the correct casket, everything now which whatever belonged to me is now yours, whether it is the house, the servants, or myself, everything is now under your possession. I give them with this ring, and this acceptance I give to you with this particular ring which I am presenting before you, which when you part from, and if you part from this ring, lose it or give it away to anybody, let it presage, let it be a sign that the love is lost between us, and thus you will be giving me an opportunity to accuse you or blame you with the missing love. Bassanio, madam, you have bereft me of all words. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins, and there is such confusion in my powers, as after some oration fairly spoke by a beloved prince, there doth appear among the buzzing pleased multitude, where every something being blent together turns to a wild of nothing save of joy, expressed and not expressed. But when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. Oh, then be bold to say Bassanio's death. So bereft is deprived. Blood speaks to you in my veins, is that blood which runs is going to speak out what emotions I hold within. Okay, power here is related for thoughts, as is such as oration is for speech, multitude is said for the people or the audience. Okay, something is related to the feelings, nothing is related to confusion. So Bassanio, now let's see what is the reply of Bassanio to the speech, the beautiful speech of Portia. So, madam, you have bereft me of all words. So, madam, the way you have spoken in front of me has taken away words from my mouth. Means you have deprived me of all my words, or you have made me speechless. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins. So the blood which runs in my veins happen to speak out the emotions which I have within for you. And there is such confusion in my powers as after some oration fairly spoke. So here says, here Bassanio says that my mind is going through, my thoughts are so totally confused exactly as the confusion. Keep it in mind, here the simile has been related. So exactly my state of mind is as the state of mind of a person who is standing on the stage, who has just delivered a beautiful speech and is now waiting for the response to be given from the side of the audience. So here he says that as after some oration fairly spoke by a beloved prince. So as a prince happens to give a beautiful oration or a speech, when he has delivered a delivered speech has been given by the prince, and now he's waiting to get the approval from the side of the audience, and this moment which he spends is a state of confusion for him. Why? Because it is mixed with the confusion whether the people have accepted his speech, whether the speech orated by him, spoken by him, has been given acceptance by the audience or not. So here I am standing exactly in the same way, in a state of mind totally confused whether whatever joy which I have received at this particular moment by making the choice of the correct casket is still giving me confusion in my mind. But now with this ring which you have handed me over has cleared it, that you are my to be wife. Okay, so turns a wild of nothing save of joy expressed and not expressed. Expressed and not expressed is whether it is means the acceptance has been given to me or not. I was a while ago in this state of confusion, but now with this ring which you have handed me has finally given me an approval that you are to be my wife. You are going to be with me forever. But when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. Oh, then be bold to say Bassanio's death. Dear Portia, you have given me acceptance. Okay, so finally by giving this ring, I have come to know that you are mine. You are going to be my wife, and I promise you never to part from this ring. This ring is not going to be out from my finger. I will always wear it. If ever it is removed from my finger, take it that the soul has parted from the body and I am no more alive.